Class 2, how are you? Today I am going to teach you English literature, your chapter 4. Your chapter 4 name is The Wild Battle. Wild means related to forest. Battle means fight. In this fight, hundred of soldiers are there. Okay, and it is a story of ant, frog and snake. Let's start this chapter. Have you ever seen any battle? Now open your book also, page number 25. Have you ever seen any battle? A snake king wants to fight a battle with ants. He wants to take over the ants kingdom. Read the story to know who won the battle and how the battle finished. In this story, the story of the battle between snake and ants. Okay, and when you read the story, you know about that who won this battle. Okay, one day in the middle of a silent forest, there was an ant hill where ants lived. Two ants were guarding the entrance when suddenly one of them saw an arrow with a note on it. When the arrow fell down, the ants unrolled it and took it to the king of ants. It read, I, the king of snakes, challenge you for a battle the day after tomorrow. The one who wins take over others' castle. Signed, the king of snakes. This is the story of ant and frog and snake. And one day, middle of the silent forest. Middle of the silent forest, there was a ant hill. Ant hill means the home of ants, where ant lived. Okay, two ants were guarding. Two ants were guarding the entrance door of the ant hill. Suddenly, what happened? A arrow fell down near, and one note are also there. When one guard opened the unrolled note, in this note what written? In this notes written that the snake challenge ant for battle because he wants to take over their castle. Okay, the ant king thought they want to take us over. Suddenly an idea flashed in his mind and he rushed in the announcement room and blurted out the whole plan to all of his soldiers. So we are ready to attack, he asked, and he heard nothing but a loud yeah. When the ant king listened this news that snake wants to battle with him, so he planned and he announced his soldier his idea, and everybody were agreed and ready to fight with snake. What was the idea? Okay, the following day there was a huge and fierce attack on the frog tree by the ant. What ant did? Ant attacked on frog. Each and every soldier frog was captured, including the frog king, and they captured all the soldiers of frog and frog king also. So said the ant king, we are battling with the snakes and we have come to ask for help. If you Aaron, you save your skin. If you are not, you will die or rot. So Ant King said the Frog King and his soldiers that if we are battling with snake, if you are help him, then you will save your skin. If you are not help him, we will die you. And I am in stuttered the Frog King. After that, Frog is agreed to fight with snake, okay, and help the ant. The Ant King said good and whispered him his plan. After that, ant say his plan on the ear of frog, okay. Whispered means slowly. Then the king praised the Ant King, smart fellow, and told the plan to all of his soldiers. After that, Frog King said Ant that you are very smart, and after that Frog told Ant plan to his soldiers also. The next day, the king of the drones means the male honeybee, okay, was taking a stroll on his park. One day, what happened? The male honeybee, was walking on a park, flying on a park, and a big, fat, and ugly toad jumped on of a tree and landed on the drone king. After that, one toad, frog male, okay, attacked on king of attack on drone. He fainted at the spot and he fainted. The toad took the drone king at the frog tree. In drone land, the news of the king being kidnapped spread like wildfire. After that, when all honeybee listen this news, and they are very worried. They were very worried. Meanwhile, in the frog tree, the king said, so we are battling with the snake. After that, in between this, the frog king said, the snake said the drone king that we are battling with snake and we are helping ant also, and we have come to ask for help if you are in. And he said that I am asking for help with you, and if you are help us, then you will save, otherwise we will die. The next day, the day of the battle, of course, the ant king came with 100 soldiers and the snake king came with 100 soldiers as well. Next day, when fighting will begin, the 100 soldiers are with ant and 100 soldiers are with snake king. Ha ha ha! What a coward army! Boo ha ha ha! Said the snake king. Snake king was laughing and said, "And that your army is very coward." The ant king replied, "Who said there are only 100 of us?" Then ant king said, "I am not only 100. We are more than 100, it means." Suddenly from the tree, frog emerged in the drones. After that, the 100 soldiers with ant and other frog soldiers are there, and drones are also there. The snake king said, "Hey, After that, snake king shocked. "You forgot to mention, don't bring your allies," interrupted the ant. When snake said that you forgot to mention, don't bring your allies, don't bring your friends also, then interrupted ant. The snake king hiss in fury and said, "Attack, the battle had begun." Then snake is very angry, and snake said, the voice of snake is his, and he said that, "Start, begin battle." It was a thrilling battle. It was very interesting battle. They bit and scratched. They are biting and scratching each other. They killed and fought. They are killing each other, fighting with each other. In the end, the snake king was left wriggling with pain because the ants were biting him, and were biting the snake very badly, that he was crawling very wriggling. The walk of snake is called wriggling, okay, crawling. They are with very pain. The ant king climbed on to his head and said, "This is for my kingdom." After that, ant onto his head and said, "This is this for his kingdom," and he gave his most powerful bite, and then he bite very badly on his head, and there died the king of snake. After that, the king of snake was died. Then there was a silence, and the whole forest is in silence. Then suddenly an ant screamed. Then ant screamed, "What? We won! Yes, we won!" Yes, you read that right. You read very right. The ant won the battle. They had won, and as the king of the snake was dead, they all lived happily ever after. After the death of snake, they lived happily together, all animals. Okay. Now in this story, what happened? The small ant won with the snake, because snake is very tall, and he lost his life also, and he lost battle also. Here are some hard word also. You have to do some hard word of this chapter. I will send you worksheets and do some word meanings in your book, okay, and I will send you worksheet of question answers. You have to do question answers in your book, and some exercises are there. You have to do these exercise in your book, okay. These exercise you have to fill in your book. Now take care everyone. Okay, bye bye.